This is Audi A4 2006. When driving at 60 miles per hour, it throws out a glow plug symbol and the car goes into limp mode. And the car also smokes heavily, black smoke. You can see the whole smoke at the rear of the bumper of the car. So I drove the car back to the workshop and then scanned the car with a VCDS, and then it came out with a fault code of P0670. So that is glow plugs. So I came to the engine side and then I checked the glow plugs. Then I realized that the glow plugs have been replaced, are new. All new glow plugs, they are down here by the right side of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just checked all the connection at the top of the glow plugs. So I realized the fourth one was not fixed properly. So I pushed it in and then start the vehicle, then delete the code. Then I drove the vehicle, test drive the vehicle, drove the vehicle at 70 to see if that problem will come out again. The problem did not show. There was no any problem. The problem was solved and there was no smoke. It was not going into limp mode. That glow plug symbol was not coming out on the dash. So the problem was solved. All the black smoke, no more black smoke on the rear bumper. It's an easy fix. But if you don't figure it out, this could be a big, huge problem for someone. I hope this video helps someone.